Truth sounds like hate to those who hate truth. Proverbs 9-7-8. Whoever corrects a mocker invites insults. Whoever rebukes the wicked incurs abuse. Do not rebuke mockers, or they will hate you. Rebuke the wise, and they will love you. Proverbs 9-7-8. The scorner mocks those who confront him in his sin and is an equal opportunity antagonist. In his youth, he rails against parents who engage him in a battle of wills, a war godly parents best not lose. In his teens and young adult years, he disdains authorities that correct and confront his sin. As an adult, the scorner is hopeless if he fails to learn the anger, frustration, and shaming he heaps on those who care for his soul are the seeds of his destruction. Like the scorner, the wicked have no desire or appetite for truth. He is hardened in his sin and treats as an enemy any who dares confront him in that way. Unlike the flagrant scorner, the wicked attack the character of the righteous with subtle lies, insinuations, and slander. In contrast, the wise man. He is known for his response to correction and rebuke. Unlike the scorner who disdains correction and the wicked who hates rebuke, a wise man hears, heeds, and loves instruction.
I don't even know what I'm doing here. I mean, it's not like you even know who I am.
You prayed and believed your whole life. Never done anything wrong. And here you are.
You're the nicest person I know. I am the meanest. You have dementia. My life is perfect. Explain that to me.
Sometimes the devil allows people to live a life free of trouble because he doesn't want them turning to God. Their sin is like a jail cell, except it's all nice and comfy and there doesn't seem to be any need to leave. The door's wide open. Till one day, time runs out. The cell door slams shut. And suddenly, it's too late. Who did you say you were?
The one who rejects me and does not receive my words has a judge. The word that I have spoken will judge him on the last day. John 12:48. You adulterous people, do you not know that friendship with the world is enmity with God? Therefore, whoever wishes to be a friend of the world makes himself an enemy of God. James 4:4. Repent and give your life to Jesus Christ before it is too late. For more information, visit receivejesus.info.